I want to ask you, Congressman, to respond to one of the things we've been talking about on this program because it's made headlines, so she's going to have to respond to this. Your thoughts on this controversial quote that she offered up on Latina judges. This was Judge Sotomayor speaking back at the University of Berkeley Law School in 2001, and I'll read you what she said and ask if you are able to put this in perspective for us. She says, quote, "I would hope that a wise Latina woman with the richness of her experiences would more often than not reach a better conclusion as a judge than a white male who has not lived that life." You know, that sounds to a lot of people like reverse racism, basically. Like she's saying that Latina judges are obviously better than white male judges, and that's her assumption, and people get worried about putting a person like that on the U.S. Supreme Court.
Right, and like I said, we're going to hang on everything she's ever said, if she has said them. I think the key there is, I would hope, just like I have said at times throughout my life, that when you come with this background that I came, that I would hope I would be always true to believing when I legislate in Congress, and I've been in Congress 20 years and in the State Assembly 16 years, before that I would keep in mind that while I'm legislating for the whole country, I also have to keep in mind of what it is that I bring to that legislation, my personal experience and how it is to fight yourself out of poverty. All she was saying
but is there a role for that on the bench? It's different, some would argue, for you because you're an elected lawmaker.
Mm-hmm. Well, there is a role in that you never forget who you are. I mean, she has made decisions based on what the law is and what the Constitution says. That's what she'll be doing. Anyone that you speak to knows that that's a judicial temperament. But we can't forget who we are. I mean, we have a president who's leading all of us, but we know who he is. We had George Bush, and we knew that he came from a certain background. Kennedy, on down the line, and yet you can reach across. I mean, my God, the greatest heroes in my political life were the Kennedys. They didn't come from poverty, but they understood poverty, and they understood what I needed in my life.
Congressman, thank you so much for coming on. We appreciate you being here. All the best to you.